In this video, me, HW Lego, and Dillo are going to try to build Clone Wars Mocs in a specific time limit. Can we do it? Stick around to the end to find out, and subscribe. Okay, so today's challenge is going to be a little different from what I normally do. So we got, in the middle hat, we got different planets from Star Wars, and the first hat, we got 3 of our names. We got Dillo, we got me, and we got HW Lego. And then on the last one, we got 3 times. I think they're 3 hours, 30 minutes, and 3 minutes. So let's draw out of these hats and see what each of us gets. Okay, so first thing we need to do is do a little bit of a shake, and reach in. Okay. We got, me. Okay, we're gonna shake these up, and we're gonna randomly pick one, and this is the mock that I get to build. Okay, let's see what I got. Felucia, let's go. Okay, last one, figure out which time or how much time I have to build this mock. 30 minutes, let's go. It's not the highest, but it'll do. 30 minutes, that is a lot of time. All right, we got 2 left in the quite ugly hat, but we'll see who goes next. HW Lego. Alright, we gotta shake up the planets again. We're gonna pick a random one. Here it is. Indoor. Okay. Alright, let's figure out how much time HW Lego has. 3 minutes. That's awesome. Alright, back to the ugly hat for the last person in this video. It's Dillo. See what planet the Sir Dillo has to make. Kashyyyk! Alright, let's see what the last time is. I don't even have to shake it, I just gotta figure it out. 3 hours. So he is probably gonna have the best mock because he has 3 whole hours to build that. But first, let's see their reactions to it.
Why is this happening to me? Of all people, why me? I'm so annoyed right now.
6.5 hours later.
I have to build an Ender mock in 3 minutes. Are you kidding me? This is gonna look horrible. Alrighty, 3 minutes on the clock, and let's get building. I was building as fast as I could, and this is all I could manage to do. Just get the rough outline for it, like just the ground, that's all I could do. I was literally just about to start placing a few of my like plant pieces, and then the time ran out. So this is what I have for 3 minutes. It's pretty crappy. I mean, I didn't have a plan at all to what I was gonna build when I went into this.
Nope.
So that's what I managed to get.
Do you have a question, Kelly?
Yeah, I have a lot of questions. Number 1, how dare you?
It's horrible. I hate it with a passion. I hate this with a passion. It's the worst Ender mock I've ever attempted. Muffin, I hope you enjoyed my pain and suffering.
I did.
This fell off, whatever. I don't care, I'm just gonna destroy this.
Muffin's turn.
we have 9 minutes and 48 seconds left. But I figured I was finished because this is how the Felucia mock went. It looks really good. I added a bunch of these random weird alien plants. I think they make the mock pop. And of course you gotta add the black barrier, as you saw in the beginning.
Delo time. Now for the reveal. Comment your favorite mock.
Big shout out to HW Lego and Zillow for helping me out with this video. Go check their channels out, link in the description. And if you like what you see here and you want to support the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click that like button as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Check this out.